Hello out there, YouTube friends. I am Cindy and you are watching Sincerely Cindy Settle. Thank you for joining me today. If you are new here, I hope that you will consider checking out the video, hitting the subscribe button, and let me know what you liked about this video. So today I tried a new style box. I tried Prime Wardrobe. So we're gonna dig into this box. What I did here, I think you do have to be a member of Amazon Prime. You pay $4.99 for Prime Wardrobe. They have a stylist that picks out your clothing. It's curated based on the style profile that you fill out with them. You can choose prices, you can choose styles, you can choose colors, you can choose prints that you do like and that you don't like. So it's very similar to a lot of the other style boxes that you do in that respect. You do pay $4.99 a month for the styling fee. I do not think that that goes towards anything that you might purchase. I think that's just a fee. You pay it, but I mean, it's $5. Come on, we can pay $5. So I will, and then they send you a preview of several items and you can choose which ones that you want them to send to you. And what I liked about that is that they would send you an item and then they would say, we would style this with, and then they would give you like 2 or 3 other items. So if you had a sweater that they were gonna send you and you wanted to see that sweater in person and try it on, then they might send you a pair of pants and a pair of shoes or a jacket that they would pair or style with the particular sweater, and then you could choose to have that sent to you as well. So if I recall correctly, I think there are about 9 items in this box. So 9 items styled for you based on your style profile for $4.99. I think that's a pretty good deal. Now I will say that they do show you the prices when they give you the preview. So you do have the option based on the prices, whether, to decide whether or not you want them to send that particular item. So these do range, if I recall correctly, they do range from in the $20 to $30 range up to about the $100 range. I do have a little bit higher of a range for jeans, simply because I have such a hard time finding jeans that I like and that I love. And when I do find jeans, I'm not opposed to spending a little bit more on them because I do wear them a lot and I wear them forever. So let's jump right into this box and see what we have, because I've never done this one, so I don't know. And I don't think that I've watched any other unboxings of this particular box. So I'm excited to see what's inside, and it might be that I need to pull up the computer to actually see my order in order to know exactly what I got in this box to tell you guys, to share that with you guys. So let's dig right in. So it does come, in a box that allows you to send everything back. It looks like it does have adhesive here, so they do intend for you to reuse this box. Good to know. I would have liked to have known that before, but I didn't tear it up too bad, so it's repairable. All right, so then we have, it looks like the shipping label to send it back through UPS, which is not a problem for me. They do have an order summary on here as well. So it tells you the item and the price. It looks like I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I have 7 items. I thought it was 9, but I was mistaken. And then you have a Prime Wardrobe, try before you buy. And this is just giving you directions. I'm assuming this was supposed to be in here, just like this. Tells you how it works. Try everything on. You have 7 days to decide what you love. Complete your purchase or returns at amazon.com/your-orders. And then you return the items in the box. You seal the box up, put the label on, and send it on. When do I need to send back my returns? You have until the end of your try-on period to postmark returns via UPS drop-off. How do I return my order? If it comes in more than 1 package, you can return your items in any package using any of the included return labels. So they do give you instructions on how to do all this. And it looks like everything is individually wrapped. So I am going to see like this. I am going to go ahead and unwrap everything, and then we will go through the items and try some things on. So I'm excited. All right, I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so I have everything out of the box, some super cozy and cute items. So we have this really cozy white sweater. That was actually vacuum sealed in the packaging. It's a little bit long. That would look cute, I think, with leggings. Then we have a pair of dressier pants here that would look cute for work. We have a kind of a camel collared sweater. This one is a little bit shorter. I like that. As you know, I've been looking for sweaters and jeans. This is a pair of just dark wash jeans. They look like they might be a little bit, I don't know. They look like a skinny fit jean. And then we have a pair of like a cranberry collared pant. These are Amazon Essentials. I like that color. That'll look really cute with the camel and the white. And then we have a cardigan, kind of a peachy color. This is a little bit itchy feeling. I don't know, we'll have to see how that feels underneath a t-shirt and see if that bothers me. Again, it's a little bit longer as well, and you'll see that when I try it on. Then we have an olive collared, longer sweater. I'm actually wearing a pair of leggings now, so I'll probably try some of these on with the leggings. And then we have a pair of black high-rise skinny jeans. So we will go, when I try these things on, I will put the prices and the brand and everything underneath. So I'm excited to try these items on. So lots of jeans, lots of sweaters. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Let's get it done. All right, here we go with our first two items. We have the olive collared sweater. I do like that it's a little bit longer in length. You can wear it with leggings and everything is covered. I like the little slit here, right here as well. The drop sleeve is cute. The sleeves are a little bit long, but that doesn't bother me so much. It's, you know, you could be fine with cuffing it like that and it would still looks perfectly fine. It's not too short doing it in that way. So this is cute, it's comfortable, it fits me just fine. And I like the collar. I think this collar looks good on me. So we will see. I'm not sure that I like it with these jeans. I think I would like it better with a pair of leggings. But these are the Jessica Simpson high-rise jeans. Sorry about all the tags and the stickers and all that stuff. These feel like they fit me okay. There is a little bit of gaping there. As you guys know, I've struggled with jeans in the past, with them falling down and having to hike them up all the time. So as with most of my jeans, I will probably wear these around, but I do feel like they fit me well. And I will pan down a little bit so that you can see them a little bit better. So there are the jeans. And I'll probably keep these on for another sweater or so. And there you have it. Next item, let me know what you guys think of these. Next outfit. So we have the camel collared sweater, which I think is really cute. It's a little bit shorter. It does have the cute balloon sleeves here that I think is just a nice little something different in the sweater. It has a little bit of a mock turtleneck there. Not sure about this. It might be a little itchy for me up here. I'm gonna wear it and see what I think. I do feel like the fit is nice. I don't feel like it looks too big or makes me look bigger than what I am. And then we have the dark wash jeans. I do like the wash on these. I'm not sure of the fit. They have some bunching on down the leg, and you probably can't see that very well. But at the knee, and they're a little bit looser around the ankle, which I'm not opposed to because I think that would be cute with booties. But they're just not, and again, I'm not sure exactly how these are supposed to fit, if they're a skinny or exactly what they are. But not sure that I'm liking the fit in the legs. The fit around the waist is good, and the butt and the thighs. I mean, everything fits good. I'm just not sure about the bunching going down the legs. So this sweater might be a keeper. I really think that's really cute. Again, the sleeves are a little bit longer, but I did just cuff them, and I think that still looks fine. All right, let me know what you think of this sweater. Is the collar good for me? Does it wash me out? Let me know. I like hearing from you. I'll be right back. Sorry, I forgot to pan down to show you a little bit better look at the jeans. So this is what the jeans look like. Again, I'm not sure that you can see the looseness here in the leg, but there is some bunching up in here around the knee and up here. So again, let me know what you think. Okay, next up we have the cardigan with the dressier plaid print pant. These are a pull-on pant. They are very comfortable. They feel like a dressier legging type of material, but you can move in them and bend and shake and all that good stuff. The sweater, I like the collar and I like the length. It does have pockets. However, it is a little itchy. So not a fan of the itchy. And I'm always hesitant about this color. I feel like peach tones kind of wash me out. Let me know what you think about this color. I know I'm not going to keep this sweater because it is itchy. This is just a cardigan, so I do have my shoulders and my arms bare under here, but I don't think that I would wear a long sleeve shirt underneath it to prevent the itching. I'm just not, I don't layer in that way. That's a little too much for me. So here is the cardigan. Again, I feel like the fit is good, but it is a little itchy. So let me take this off and I'll show you the pants as best I can. I'll pan down a little bit. Give me just a second. Okay, so this is my own cami. So here are, I don't know if you can see the pattern in that or not, but there is a grayish type of plaid patterning there, which would look cute with any type of collar cardigan or sweater, really, that you wanted to wear. Again, I feel like the fit is good. You could wear booties with this. You could wear heels with it. I feel like this would be good transition for winter, fall, spring, really even. They're not too heavy, but they're heavy enough. Seems to me like they're a little bit perfect for work. A little bit perfect for work. A little bit dressy. So let me know what you think. Do these look good on me? Are they flattering? Should I give something else a try in terms of bottoms? I struggle with bottoms, you guys know this. So, all right, I think we have one more outfit. So I'll be right back. Okay, we are down to the last two items. So this is a really comfortable sweater. It's like that Sherpa type of material that if animals get near it, that you will have hair all over it all the time. But it's very comfortable, very cute. I feel kind of like a sheep. It has this little slit here. It is longer, so you could wear it with leggings and everything's covered there. The sleeves are a little bit long on this as well. Again, it's one of those that you could cuff the sleeves without any problem. I'm not sure about the neckline here. It is a little bit tight here. And I'm sorry, I struggle with white. I like the idea of it, and I think it looks pretty in pictures, but I'm not sure that it looks pretty on me. So I'm gonna have to look back at the footage and see what I think, and maybe try this on with tighter pants. These are the cranberry colored jeans or slack, well, they're more of a jean. And these are a looser fit, which I kind of like. They fit me well in the waist. As you can see that they are a little bit looser. I like the collar a lot. There are working pockets in the front, well, not in the back, just in the front. And I do have, and I'll pan down here in just a second, I have them cuffed at the bottom. You'll be able to see how loose they are. You can see how they're cuffed and a little bit looser. So I would probably wear these with booties, or even tennis shoes would look okay with this. I feel like they're a very versatile pair of pants. So these are a maybe. Let me know what you think. And I'm sure that you like my mismatched socks. All right, I'm excited to get the wrap up and see what the prices are, because I don't remember. So I'll be right back. Well, for my first box, I kind of feel like that was a pretty good box. I had $4.99 for the box, and for the styling, I got to choose from the curated items what they sent me. I feel like everything fit pretty well. I didn't love everything, but I am probably going to keep 1 or 2 items. So that's a plus in my book. So let's go through this really quick. I know you guys have seen the prices. I have not. These are Jessica Simpson, the black skinny rise jean or skinny jean. These are $69.50. I'm going to try these on and wear them around. They're probably going to be a no. I don't know if you saw my video, the ThredUp video a few weeks ago. If not, I'll link it here in the card. But I did like some Torrid black skinny jeans that I had tried on there, and I'm going to get a pair of those actually from Torrid because I can actually get them a little bit cheaper even than ThredUp using a coupon or getting them on sale in the store. So I'm going to try these on a little bit and wear them around the house, but they're a little bit pricey. So I don't know if we'll be going with those or not. Then we have the balloon sleeve camel collared sweater. It's $40. This, I'm going to look back at the footage. I think this is going to be a keeper. I did like that really well. Then we have the Alina skinny jeans. They're supposed to be skinny jeans. They were a little bit loose on the leg, so I'm kind of surprised by that. But these are actually $83. So these are going to be a no. They're too expensive, and I wasn't crazy about the fit. Like I said, I will pay a little bit more if they fit me like fabulously, but they do not fit fabulously. So then we have the Calvin Klein pull-on stretch pants. These are $54.83. Not sure about these. I liked them. I thought they were cute, but I don't know if I love them enough to keep them and to spend $54 on them. So we'll put those over there for now. And then we have the Amazon Essentials skinny pant in burgundy. I did like these. Again, I'm going to watch the footage and maybe wear them around the house, make sure they're not falling off my rear end. These are not a skinny jean. They're it says a skinny pant, but they weren't fitting me as a skinny pant, so that might be a clue that maybe I shouldn't get them because they were a little looser. But these were only $26.90, good price, and I liked the color. So these are a maybe. We'll put those in the maybe pile. Then we have this cardigan. It's an oversized cardigan. It was $51.50. I liked the collar. I liked the fit. Do not like that it's itchy, so that is a no. And then we have the crew neck side split pullover. This is $30.99. Reasonable price. I liked it well enough, but didn't necessarily love it. Maybe I'll look back at the footage and see if, you know, I'm like, oh, wait, that does look really good. And my daughter liked it, so I don't know. We'll see. So that's a maybe, $39.99. And then we have the last item is this white Sherpa sweater, and it is $29.99. That's a reasonable price as well. So again, I feel like this was a really good box. You do not get any discounts or anything for buying a certain amount like you do with some style boxes, but I think I'll try this box a couple more times and see if I like anything in it. Again, I do think I am going to keep this one sweater, and to me, the $4.99 is worth keeping a $40 sweater. So if you want to give it a try, please feel free. I do think you can only do it through the app. There's no referral link or anything like that. So I hope you have fun doing it, and I hope you'll let me know if you have tried it or if you plan to try it. Again, please like this video if you like this kind of content. Please subscribe, share it with your friends. I love hearing from you guys, and I will see you guys soon because I have a Fashom coming and a Stitch Fix. So it is going to be a few videos of some unboxings and try-ons. We'll get back to the books a little bit later. So I will see you guys soon. I am Cindy Settle. I'm signing out. Mwah.